Yo, we're back with another video. Today is Tuesday. Let's check out our news. News for today, we have 10 a.m. Jolt openings, job openings. What we see here? So, we have a ton of levels. Price rejected off this FEG. On the super high time frame, we see that we didn't end up pushing up to all-time highs, which we could be doing right here. Price could be pushing up to all-time highs right here. We don't necessarily tap EQ of this range, but that is all right. Neither did we tap EQ of this entire range. So just gonna have to see what price wants to do. I'm gonna delete some of these levels. We have some levels down here that could target previous day high. Let's see at market open what we're doing. Looks like price might be wanting to just push down. See if you can get some form of CISD through these lows. Now, if we were to mark out the standard deviation of this range, it would be pretty far down, so I'm not gonna mark it. Right here, we tap this low time frame range, standard deviation range. Here, I just have some more marked out. Up here, previous day high. We have some levels marked out, previous day low. What do we see on the 1 minute? Looks like we're still going down. We have this fair value gap that we tapped in earlier though, which could make us reject. Mark out this rejection block as well, since it's the low of the entire range. This could just be a small manipulation move and go back up. So it's not entirely sure what price is really willing to do. Now, are we going to tap into this rejection block and reject off of it? There's another question. Not entirely sure. 50 seconds left. Of Shortest time frame leg. We see true day open does align pretty well, but it looks like price is going to go and end up tapping into this rejection block. So through a tap, are we going to go ahead and sweep the liquidity, or are we going to go push through? It's not entirely certain. Not OT. Standard deviation levels. What are they showing? Showing that this is maximum displacement, and we did end up tapping into the CE of that range. So I'm going to be patient here, as the draw doesn't necessarily mean to be previous day low. So we're just going to see here. Maybe if we inverse this gap right here, I could take a trade. Seeing as this is at EQ. I want to see some sort of bullish PUA all the way up if we are to make this a reversal set point. Though I'm not entirely sure. This could just be a retracement. I want to be crystal clear with my bias, with my everything, you know. And then if we see some sort of displacement down, then I'll look for an entry to short. But longs could be the play as well. So we just have to be patient and really wait this out. It does look like price is rejecting off of that FEG. This could be a push lower, although EQ was not tapped yet. And the true day open, or the daily key open value, does look like a decent entry for a short, if a short were to be played. But it looks here like price is going to continue pushing down. Meaning the draw could continue to be short. We have a minute left. Some sort of retrace to a price leg could be nice. We sweep that liquidity right there. What else are we seeing? Price still not necessarily tapping off of anything right now. One minute left. It's looking like the draw will be previous day lows. That objective might be taken already. There are other levels though. This 4-hour order block. This 1-hour FVG with the final levels being down there. Price is about to close in 18 seconds. Doesn't look like price is pushing too low right now. I'm gonna set a market order here though. I feel like this is gonna continue short. I'm gonna set it more right here, this 5-minute. We'll see here what price wishes to push through. $50-point target. We might not get filled, which is fine. I'm totally fine with that. I don't really care about getting filled. I care more so about about being right, you know, about the bias, about the day. Check the 4-hour out maybe. Still respecting this 4-hour FVG. Which is a bit strange. It's okay. Honestly, I feel like I want to change my risk up just a tad bit. Maybe go in like the 50% range of this FVG. I just don't want to skew my trades too much, you know. The objective is taken. Then we wait till 10 a.m. and then we do what we gotta do. I'm taking a ton of new supplements, by the way, guys. Okay, well, we do respect this FVG on this time frame. So we'll have to see if price is truly going to push back down or if this is some sort of range. Just gonna see here if we get tapped into this trade.
Order filled.
And we do. So let's just see what price wishes to do. See if we end up wanting to push upwards more, down. Risk is for only 3, 259. I might set my stop loss right there, just to see what price wishes to do. Yeah, we'll have to see. If we want to go down, we could end up getting stopped here, and then our account's probably gone, probably blown. But it's okay, I guess. Oh jeez. Oh, we're getting really close here to our level. Fuck. Okie dokie. You know what I should do is probably, yeah, I think I'm probably gonna set my stop here like I did before. I'm not really sure, boys. This could end up getting us stopped, and yeah. Who really flipping knows? But this is the CEO of the FVG. Would have been a better RR if I would have just set the CEO of this FVG. So, but yeah, let's just see what is gonna happen. Always a bit nervous on trades, and we might end up blowing this account just off of this trade, but you know, it's okay, boys. Oh, I'm trading 4 contracts, not fucking 3. Oh wow, boys. Okay. So these huge wicks right here, what do they really account for? I don't really flipping know, boys. SMT formed. Not the worst sign, I guess. But it's not looking too good, boys, to be honest. It's really not. This is not very good. But we'll have to see here what price wishes to do. I'm gonna tighten my range. Tightening my range here just to see what price wishes to do. We are at the 0.75 standard deviation, or not standard deviation, but you know. So 15 seconds, 13 seconds on the 5 minute. Get another call, guys. Hello? Hello? Okay. Guess no hellos, boys. Anyways, we're gonna keep this right here at just low right here to get swept. CNS price looks like it's displacing down. Um, this looks like this could hit, which is nice. Trying to keep my stop loss a bit tighter right here. Of course, we could end up getting stopped. It's not like it's impossible. And I'm actually gonna close.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna close out there, boys, because I don't really want to be. You know, we probably will go down, but we're already pretty far in drawdown. So I'm just trying to build my account back up, truly. Try to get some more consistent plays. Plus, it was small contract, you know, it didn't really matter too much. But yeah, let's see if this ends up playing out. Be an extra couple $100. Probably would, right? I just don't want to wait for any sort of retracement, yeah. And these are usually levels where price would retrace, and who knows, maybe consolidate, maybe stop us out right here and go down. You know, I don't want to deal with kind of bullshit like that. But a quick day, single trade, just 23 minutes. That's all I really have for today. Have a good day, guys.